Indian armed forces are considered the best in the world. Our brave men work day and night, live in difficult conditions. They serve their nation unconditionally and save our borders from our enemies. But do we pay enough gratitude towards our armed forces? Do we even know what sacrifice they have to make when they are posted far from their families? We salute our brave soldiers and thank them and their families for their tremendous sacrifice and incredible valor.
My father's been in the army for the past 26 years and he's a colonel.
Almost a span of 23 years.
My father served for 24 and a half years and he retired as a lieutenant colonel.
It's been more than 25 years and he's a lieutenant colonel.
36 years and he's retired as a brigadier.
My husband served for 25 years in the Air Force and he was a group captain.
Definitely we missed him. Kids missed him, especially festivals like Holi, Diwali celebration.
Well, it's not a good time because of course when your father or your mother is not home, it's not the same feeling.
जब यूनिट में होते हैं तो यूनिट सारा काम look after कर दिया.
When he is not here, he's not in station, so obviously we tend to miss him a lot. But when he comes, there's a different kind of happiness, if it's my birthday, if it's my mom's birthday, any festival, be it Diwali, Holi, it has a special importance altogether.
Yeah, he's valued more. His presence is valued more.
Exactly.
First few hours is really happy कि पापा आ गए ये हल्ला मच रहा है and then suddenly डांट ही डांट पड़ रही है, रोज डांट पड़ रही है, घर के अंदर घुसते ही डांट पड़ रही है. अरे भाई हुआ क्या है लाइफ में? Okay, so dad's not used to us the way we are and we're not used to dad being around. Dad's not used to how work things out. So yeah, that's what happens. Everything changes.
एक दो दिन तो ठीक था, बच्चे भी खुश होते भी पापा आ गए, पर जब उनको थोड़ा सा रोक टोक थोड़ा सा वो लगा, फिर उनको भी ये लगा ये कौन आ गया है उनके जो हमारे कुटुंब है. देन जब पापा के साथ बाहर जाते, पिक्चर देखने जाते, हॉलीडेज, फिर एवरीथिंग इज बिकम खुशी का माहौल.
When my dad is home, I have to wake up really early. Mom and dad are pretty chilled out when dad's here.
वाइफ के साथ बच्चों की प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करनी. अच्छा जी पेरेंट टीचर मीटिंग है, आप जाओ. फील्ड में नो पेरेंट टीचर मीटिंग, यहाँ पेरेंट टीचर मीटिंग. वाइफ शॉपिंग का पसंद नहीं पसंद तो वाइफ को भी लेके जाना पड़ता है. तो it was a very mixed feeling.
जब पापा घर पे नहीं होते, when he's not home, then it's all chill. मतलब जब सोना है सो, टीवी देखना है देखो. But when dad's home, oh my god, 10 o'clock means 10 o'clock. If it's 10:01, you're gone.
Everywhere it's the army who's at the end of the day evacuating the ones who are suffering. And when we talk about the credit not getting, it is totally reflected in our pay packages.
ऑफिसर्स का फिर हो जाता है, पर जवानों का तो बिल्कुल भी किसी भी प्रकार से कुछ नहीं देखा जाता. रिस्पेक्ट भी होनी चाहिए. बॉर्डर पे इतना कुछ हो रहा है, मैं यही रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि सभी प्रकार से आर्मी को क्रेडिट देना चाहिए.
पहले आर्मी का एक्चुअली में बहुत वैल्यू था. The credibility given to the army is getting lesser day by day.
My mother was also an army officer's daughter. So I feel in that sense, I was never made to worry because she knew how the life is. She never questioned that. So I never thought कि अरे पापा नहीं है.
There used to be a time when dad was posted in the field and mom, me and my sister were staying in the separated families' quarters. And every time a letter got misplaced or it did not come on time, it was a heart attack in itself to my mother especially.
Your father is like over there. You don't know what news will come next, and you don't get to know when you will speak to him next. So it's obviously very scary, but yeah, life goes on.
I still remember we used to wait up all night for dad to call us, and it used to be miserable for us waiting for him entire night. The whole night we used to stay up and wait for him to call.
80 हम लोग ले लद्दाख में पोस्टेड थे मेरे हस्बैंड, और मैं फर्स्ट टाइम ले गई थी उस टाइम, एंड इनका हेलीकॉप्टर क्रैश हो गया. मेरे को नहीं पता था, आई वाज इन द रूम ओनली. तो इनके सीओ आए, कहते कुड़िए देख तेरे घर वाले ने की कीता. आई सेड की हो गया जी? हेलीकॉप्टर क्रैश हो गया उदा.
Biggest sacrifice is separation. The second thing is that joy of seeing your children growing up. Suddenly when you come home after 1.5 year or 1 year, you suddenly find that you left your child this much, now he is this much.
Family does sacrifice a lot, especially the kids' education. Yeah, definitely. I'm very much in favor for the youth of the country to join the defense services.
I do want to join army. And I urge other people to as well, because the incentives that we get, the medical facilities, our canteen facilities, the unit, having an extended family with you all the time at your beck and call is something that everybody should get to have.
They should, because this will do a lot of value addition to their character. That yes, I should sacrifice, I should be the giver, I should not be the taker only always. My own son, he's in 12th now, and I want him to join army.
Army exemplifies everything that is good, everything that is patriotic, that a person who has some love for the country should strive for.
I do want to join the army.
Hi, this is Aniket from Old Daily Films. If you want to watch more videos, you can click here. If you want to subscribe, you can click here.